Good morning. I wanted to share the new Valentin Imperial Dunas suites. There's not a lot of videos out there about this, so hoping this might help some of you decide whether you want to stay in one of these rooms or not. We're equipped with an espresso machine, a mini bar, fully stocked. Extra little storage. Nice little bench. Most everything in the room is controlled by these little touch buttons. It's got a little place to put your dirty room service plates. More storage. Here's your closet area with safe. Most rooms come with 2 robes, 2 slippers, an umbrella, a hair dryer, and a steamer. Here's the view of the bathroom. Dual vanity. Very nice. Again, with the touch buttons, you can control the blinds. An air jetted tub. These rooms do not include a bidet like a lot of the other Valentin rooms, but they're still very nice. Nice shower. And these rooms do have conditioner as well. A little shower wand. And a nice ceiling rainfall. There's little towel hooks just about everywhere in this room. There's also a touch button for a screen that shows the outdoor pool. So this room has a king-size bed, a nice little couch, a seating area, and these curtains open up to amazing views. Sorry about that. Plenty of privacy. The pools are really cool. Got your own private little pool. And the views in this room are absolutely amazing. Got seating and a little table. Beautiful pool, and look at that view. How can you beat that? You've got all the curtains open up in this place. It's gorgeous. Here's the patio. Seating for 2. For those who smoke, they do give you an ashtray, but look at this view. Hard to beat it. Another view of the pool. Most of these windows are mirrored glass, so you can't see through. What an amazing view. Thanks for viewing.